Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's question looks at two important AI tools, Code Interpreter, Vector Store. And Microsoft is testing us whether we understand when using both together creates a better solution than using either one alone. Before we answer the questions, let's understand these concepts in a simple language. What is Code Interpreter? Think of Code Interpreter as a document analyst. Give it a large PDF and it can read the entire document, understand the overall context, create summaries, analyze data and tables, see the big picture. Simple analogy, imagine someone reading the entire 500-page report from start to finish. At the end, that person understands the complete story. That's what Code Interpreter does. Memory trick is like Code Interpreter is whole document understanding. Now, what is vector store? Think of a vector store as a small librarian. Instead of reading everything, it quickly finds relevant sections, important paragraphs, supporting evidence, specific answers, citation. Simple analogy. Imagine asking which page discusses water damage coverage. The librarian immediately shows you the exact page. That's what a vector store does. Memory trick is vector store is nothing but find the evidence. Now, why is this relevant in an AI exam? This is actually a real enterprise problem. Companies have insurance policies, legal contracts, audit reports, HR manuals, compliance documents. Users don't just want answers, they want correct answers, source references, supporting evidence, trustworthy results. That's why Microsoft tests these concepts. Now let's go back to our question. Which architecture best balances whole document understanding and evidence grounded output for a long enterprise PDFs? Options are below. Now let's eliminate the wrong answers. Option A, system instructions only. System instructions tells the model how to behave. Example, be professional, be concise, be helpful. But instructions don't help the model understand a 500-page PDF. They also don't provide supporting evidence. So option A is out. Option B, Bing search helps find information on internet, so this is straight away out. Temperature tuning only. Before eliminating this option, let's understand one more concept. What is temperature? Temperature controls how creative an AI response becomes. Lower temperature, more consistent, more predictable. Higher temperature, more creative, more varied responses. But temperature has nothing to do with reading long PDF, understanding documents, finding evidence, providing citations. So option D is wrong. So correct answer is combine code interpreter plus vector store retrieval. Now if you see the clue 1, whole document understanding. This points directly to code interpreter because it can analyze the entire PDF and understand the overall concept. Clue 2, evidence grounded outputs. This points directly to vector store because it can retrieve specific pages and supporting evidence. Now let's take one more real world example. Imagine uploading a 300-page insurance policy. First, you ask, summarize the policy. Code interpreter analyzes the entire document and creates a meaningful summary. Next, you ask, show me the section discussing water damage coverage. Vector Store retrieves the exact page containing that information. Together, they provide understanding, evidence, and trust. Exam tip, when you see entire document, long PDF, summary, big picture understanding, think code interpreter. When you see citations, source references, evidences, supporting pages, think vector store. When you see both requirements together, understand the whole document, find supporting evidence, think code interpreter plus vector store. Remember, code interpreter is nothing but understand the whole document. Vector store finds the proof. Together is understand plus verify. The biggest clue in today's question were whole document understanding and evidence grounded output. Thanks for watching.